Hello everyone and welcome back to my class. This is your Sophie ma'am. Children, we have already studied chapter number 9, that is Through the Looking Glass, written by Lewis Carroll. Let us now quickly revise the chapter. Before we do that, let us look at the mind map of the chapter. Point number 1, Alice wished that Tiger Lily could talk, and it actually did. Point number 2, there was another flower in the garden that had a shape just like Alice. Point number 3, Red Queen wanted to know that what was she doing in that garden. Point number 4, Red Queen, she gave her all the directions that what exactly she has to do there. Point number 5, suddenly she was in a train carriage. Then point number 6, the train carriage, it jumped to cross a brook and Alice found herself sitting under a tree. And lastly, point number 7, Nat and Alice, they started discussing about insects. Now let us look at the summary of the chapter. Children, this chapter is divided into 2 acts, namely Act 1, Scene 1, Act 1, Scene 2, and lastly Act 2, Scene 1. In the first scene, Alice thought that she could see the garden better if she could reach the top of the hill. She came upon a tiger lily and she wished that it could talk, and it replied. She was surprised to know that all flowers could talk. Then all the flowers in that garden, they started talking, and the flowers, they informed Alice that there was another flower in that garden that had shape like Alice and could move about just like she did. As she looked around, she saw the Red Queen. The Red Queen wanted to know that what was she doing in that garden, to which Alice replied that she wanted to see the garden, she wanted to see that what the garden looked like. Alice looked around in all the directions of that country. The country was filled with tiny little brooks, and the ground between them was divided into squares by a number of little green hedges. It was marked like a large chessboard. Alice wished that she was a pawn, and her wish was granted. Suddenly, the Red Queen and Alice, they started running. And after some time, they were still in the same place. The Red Queen gave her directions. She said that at the end of 2 yards, she will give her instructions, and at the end of the 3rd yard, she will repeat them again. Then at the end of 4, she shall say goodbye, and at the end of 5, she'll just go. How it happened, Alice never knew, but exactly as she came to the last peg, the Red Queen vanished. Alice was surprised to see an elephant making honey, and she imagined how giant the flowers would be. Then she jumped over the first of the 6 little brooks, and suddenly she was in a train carriage. The guard demanded her ticket, but Alice didn't have one and said that there wasn't a ticket office where she came from. Soon, the carriage jumped to cross a brook, and Alice found herself sitting under a tree in the next instant. A rather giant gnat was balancing itself on a twig just over her head and was fanning her with its wings. And they started discussing about insects like the rocking horsefly, snapdragon fly, and bread and butterfly. So this was the summary of the chapter, children. Hope you all understood the chapter really well. I will be back again with yet another video. Till then, take care and stay safe.